Hey, what is up? This is Josh Olson 10, watching Lance Stewart vlogs. Anyways, just gonna show you what happens tomorrow morning. There's a storm coming. Okay, this is Cody. Cody! Cody, hi buddy. You had some fun time today, didn't you? Yes, you were all about having fun. There's me in the funsy onesie. I'm going to show you what else I'll be doing today, this evening. See all these fun decorations. These are gonna go bye-bye soon. Tree, let's show you what the tree is. Pow! There, the tree. Blue. All pretty lights. Yeah. All this is gonna go bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Some of these fun toys that Cody has. Some new toys. My Aunt Lois gave him. You can see some in the live broadcast on my Facebook page, but yeah. Some of these toys he has, some are kind of wrecked, but I don't know. So, these are some of the aftermath of what some of the rest of these toys are. And some more fun toys. Going back to bed soon. I've been having slight allergy problems, due to the fact that I've been sneezing my freaking head off, and I don't know, it's just crazy. I'm Keurig making tea a lot, because I haven't been making coffee. This is the coffee filter. 2.0, Keurig 2.0. If you can see that shit. Keurig 2.0. Oh, thanks Grandma for bringing all the extra stuff here. You know what? Instead of this, I'm gonna make coffee. Okay, 4 or 6. Strong, hot, do not lift. Brewing. I'm tired. Why are we up? I don't know. This is a simulation of what happens during a storm. Yeah, just enjoying my coffee and staying up late with Cody. One time I dropped this raw steel container that I'm holding right now, raw steel container here, and the lid was on and the cap was on, and I fell off this table here, this table, and fell on the floor. Glad this house has had so many liquids spilled. Tomorrow's weather by Kello up to Tuesday is going to be raining or snow. It's going to be pretty miserable. So, that's your white bone. You have, let me see that. Let me see that. Let me see it. I want to see. Let me see. Let me see. A nylon bone. This is nylon. Yeah, my mom said you have to be careful with those. Yeah, we're going to wrap this up for tonight and wait for tomorrow until the big snowstorm, possibly in ice, and go out and survey what we have. So, thanks Jay Trobeck, Scott Munt, Brian Karstens, and yeah, it's going to be pretty fun. So, got Cody wearing his nice lounge like coat. And I am going to be taking my onesie off, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Weather update from Kello. It looks like freezing rain and sleet. Okay, I'm gonna decide if I want to wear the onesie or just wear whatever for today. Currently decided to wear this shirt. It's Keysno Care Center, KCC, also known as Acute Care and Chiropractic on Grange Avenue in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. See Colin DeWitt if you have any medical problems. Some of our rain flooding. Yeah, I don't know if I'm actually going anywhere because it is literally yeah, it could be worse. Making my bed, getting that all stripped and made. There, bed's made. Now Cody and I can finally sleep on it. Throwing the stuff in here now. Okay. Actually, another one. Maybe one more pod. Watching Wagon Train on new TV. Weather bulletins flashing. You need to eat, buddy. You need to eat, Cody. Hasn't eaten his food yet. My oatmeal and coffee. I'm definitely taking the tree down at 4 to 5 p.m. tonight. All decorations are going down by January because Christmas is over. And that'll do it for this vlog. Stay safe and warm, Sioux Falls, and you guys take care of yourselves. Enjoy this nice frigid winter weekend.